Good morning from Trot HQ. First one of the day. This is a new client's just ridden from Bracknell with his lovely CBR650R. He has had this from new. He said he looked after it the first couple of years, but he's been busy this last year. So she's showing a little weathered here and there. So we're going to do one of our legendary full Monty valets on this. We'll get that chain all serviced, all the usual bits and pieces, all these footrest hangers. We will polish that up. They're getting pretty corroded. The usual. He's opting out of any ceramic, but we will cover it with XCP corrosion protection. He wants a little bit of paint correcting done, windscreen, and I noticed a few spider webs on this tank. So we're going to get it all snow foamed, debugged, degreased, decontaminated. Then we'll get it in the studio where I'll crack on with some paint correcting and the XCP application. Like I said, we will polish up all these footrest hangers there. Looking a little sad for themselves. A few nuts and bolts, which I'll probably put a little paint on before we put any corrosion protection on them. So let's get cracking. Give me a few hours. We'll have her looking like she just rolled out of the showroom. There you go. This Honda CBR650R has now been fully trotted. Look at the freaking gloss on that. This had one of our legendary full Monty valets, including some machine polishing on that bodywork, just to remove a few of those spider works and get a nice bit of gloss back to it. Every single nook and cranny of this bike has been properly polished, protected, painted. All the chains been serviced, all up underneath the shock. Painted the lower bit of that shock there, put a load of XCP on it. All these footrest hangers have been lightly sanded, mirror polished, even mirror polished up the levers. All your calipers, all your discs, everything's been meticulously cleaned, and all your plastics have been dressed, absolutely gleaming now. I said I did a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, managed to remove a few of those marks on the windscreen. Everything's polished, looking sweet, and now ready for the winter ahead. Got a nice coating of XCP, missed it all up underneath the seat, all your engine, suspension linkages, everything's been sorted. Get yours booked in now. Winter is on its way. We are busy. Give us a buzz. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.